We all are aware that gadgets play an important role in our day-to-day life. We need different types of gadgets to do various jobs. But some gadgets are too dangerous to use. That's why Amazon banned some gadgets. So, don't you want to know why these gadgets were forbidden? To know the reasons, stay tuned to the end. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up button. Never forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon. Amazon affiliate links are in the description box below. Number 1. Wall wiretap. So, do you want to overhear your enemy's private chats and don't want to get caught, or are people just talking behind you? Now that this equipment is well known for being a spy gadget that allows anyone to listen in on conversations taking place in another room, you can easily listen through walls. Because of the high sensitivity of this equipment, it is simple to hear everything happening while listening through the walls. Number 2. Spy camera charger. You can monitor your nanny, babysitter, elderly parents, carers, co-workers, and clients with the help of this built-in concealed camera. This spy camera charger has a USB charger properly integrated into it. This charger-mounted spy camera is undetectable and is absolutely covert. The 1080p HD sharpness of the spy camera charger's films and images makes it stand out. In order to make sure you don't miss anything, the 120-degree wide-angle lens ensures a wide field of vision to capture more of the space from one key point in high definition. The True HD 1920 by 1080p videos from this covert security camera may be viewed on any device without additional software. Number 3. Keychain knives. It is entirely up to you whether you want to use it as a stylish keychain in your hand or a dangerous weapon, which is why it got banned, even though keychain knives are increasingly popular but still illegal on AliExpress and Amazon. Keychain knives combine the everyday carrying functionality of a high-quality fold-out locking knife with a conveniently key-sized body. They are very useful for self-defense or slicing your potatoes. Number 4. USB killer. A device known as a USB killer resembles a USB thumb drive, but instead transmits high-voltage power surges into the connected device that may harm hardware components. A USB killer essentially operates by sending 210 to 220 volts into an interface that is made to handle 5 volts. An excessive surge might harm or destroy linked hardware and ports. Although USB killer devices are lawful and can be used for legitimate purposes, it should be obvious that it's strictly forbidden to damage computers and other property that belongs to others without the owner's permission. Number 5. Wall clock spy camera. Your wall clocks have a covert spy camera. The wall clocks may be placed anywhere you like, and you can monitor everything in your house without anyone suspecting you have a secret spy watching them there. Since the spy camera is wireless, all hidden wireless cameras come equipped with an internal radio transmitter that converts the captured image into a radio signal at a certain frequency. Only within the building can a receiver receive the signal. The receiver captures the signal, which converts it back into an image. Number 6. Powerful lasers. If the distance is small enough, it will almost certainly burn everything. Blue laser pointers are the most uncommon cutting-edge handheld lasers currently on the market. The lowest power outputs are 473 nanometers and 2 megawatts, and the highest outputs are at 440 nanometers and 1000 megawatts. How deadly might these lasers possibly be? Class 3 lasers are very deadly, while Class 4 lasers are even more harmful. You may assume that since these lasers might ignite a fire, they can seriously harm your eyes and skin. A high-quality aluminum alloy is used to create the shell. Number 7. LED police lights. Many people pretend to be police officers using these LED police lights, and these lights were also utilized in numerous crimes when people pretended to be police officers. The lights were eventually banned, and no one could buy or use them anymore. Do you wish to learn how this device operates and its incredible features? Simply attach the lights to the front desk of your car and turn on the blue and red lights to use this device. Your car will be transformed into a police vehicle in a few seconds. Cool, but you might get in trouble for that. The multi-purpose light bulb bars are ready to mount with L-shaped mounting brackets and a 90-degree adjustable suction cup brackets. They may be permanently mounted with L-shaped brackets and screws, or temporarily with suction cup installation on the front windshield or back glass. Number 8. Black Spy Ear Amplifier Bug Wall Listening Device. Meet the requirements of the manufacturer. The material is plastic with inbuilt sound amplifiers and silver-colored onboard button slots, 3.5mm earphone connector, USB and sensor, on-off switch button, volume control, power, and internal rechargeable battery. L43 by D36mm are the dimensions. Products like Noakes function on various surfaces, including steel plates, wood doors, and walls. Because of its great sensitivity, change the audio gradually to avoid upsetting your earphones. This item is being marketed as a tool for licensed investigators or law enforcement. Keep away from electrical devices such as speakers, televisions, refrigerators, and personal computer consoles when using this item to prevent potential noise interference. All mobile devices with a standard 3.5mm jack, including Apple iPhones, Android phones, tablets, Kindles, and e-readers are compatible. Number 9. Wi-Fi Swept Jammer. Although a Wi-Fi swept jammer may sound like something from a movie, there may already be one nearby. What it is and why you might need one are described below. Companies that deal with sensitive information prefer to use these to prevent leaks. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi jammer can block phone and Wi-Fi signals in any fixed place and is effective up to 400 meters away. The device is prohibited because many hackers could use it to do nasty things in emergencies. Number 10. GPS Tracker. A GPS tracker is a tracking gadget that is mounted on a car, added to a piece of gear, or worn by a person. This car tracking gadget gives its precise location so that it may report specifics on where a vehicle, piece of equipment, or person is. However, the GPS tracker we are referring to is not your typical GPS tracker because it is specifically made to follow people or objects. Number 11. Glasses with mini camera. Spy glasses, which were once a fantastic gizmo in secret agent stories and futuristic fiction, are now a useful instrument in surveillance and security enforcement. Spy glasses are unisex frames with a built-in video camera that enables hands-free recording at eye level, usually between the lenses. The auxiliary microphone can pick up noises from a distance of several feet. The camera cannot be started or stopped using any visible switches, ensuring no suspicion will be aroused. A microSD that can be accessed from one of the spectacle arms contains the video clip. Number 12. MOONTIE Voice Changer. This voice changer's interface is 3.5mm tight. The use of an audio conversion cable with a 3.5mm interface is acceptable. You can use it right on your preferred headphone or headset. The voice changer is utilized for amusement purposes, such as while making calls and playing online games with pals. It's a must-have, highly portable voice changer, plug and play, and easy to use. Number 13. Remote-controlled license number plate. This new device is the most unlawful thing ever. This remote-controlled license plate may be used to adorn a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, Jeeps, and more. This is a brand new premium plate, a plate that can be utilized as an interior decoration or as a standalone display holder. It can serve as a remote-controlled license plate, among other things. Because it is composed of stainless steel, this license plate is sturdy and unlikely to rust or damage your remote control. Number 14. A flamethrower kit. Due to this device's risks, dual exhaust flamethrower kits have been outlawed if it ends up in the wrong hands. In essence, they burn the unburned fuel that your engine's control module has produced by briefly interrupting your car's ignition system. Number 15. Voice Changer. This device is the perfect one to use if you want to mislead someone with your voice, but you can't find it on Amazon or AliExpress. What would you do if you had a device that could modify your voice to sound like someone else? Number 16. Lockpick guns. Due to a report that the device was used in several theft incidents, many online retail companies, including AliExpress and Amazon, strongly outlawed this device. A mechanical pin tumbler lock can be opened without a key using a snap gun, sometimes called a lockpick gun or an electric lockpack. Unfortunately, these incredible devices were illegal, which prevented us from fully enjoying them. However, who knows? Maybe someday, these devices may once again be available from our favorite online retailer, Amazon. The Amazon affiliate links are given in the description below. Do you think these devices are harmful? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, please check out our other gadget-related videos in our channel.